Have you ever wondered why Zomato delivery boys take selfie before delivering the order at your doorsteps? Their delivery fleet is the most important component in the entire ecosystem and plays a big role in providing a great customer experience. To ensure its proper functioning, they have put various audit mechanisms in place where they check for compliance related to delivery boys' grooming, asset audit, and mask audit. The asset audit checks whether they have put on a Zomato t-shirt and are carrying a Zomato bag or not, whereas the mask audit checks if they have put on mask for safe and secure deliveries. The delivery boys are mandated to submit their selfie in a very short time. These images then flow through a service at the backend server, which passes them to deep learning models trained using convolutional neural network that can efficiently detect faces with and without masks. Similarly, asset audit replicates the process for the presence of Zomato t-shirts and other assets. This allows them to conduct more frequent audits and at scale by removing the cost associated with the manual audits. This also helps provide real-time feedback for a seamless delivery experience. I hope it was interesting to know how Zomato is using machine learning and deep learning to automate some of their internal processes and hence providing us safe and secure deliveries.